Hey guys, I'm showing you this WisFox wireless keyboard and mouse. This is a backlit ultra slim quiet keyboard with RGB mouse, rechargeable, compact, sleep mode, portable cordless keyboard. So you can see in the unboxing it comes with this keyboard and the mouse, charging cable, a USB-C and USB adapter. That's it. So this is all the unboxing content. And here is the keyboard and the USB charging cable. This is very slim. So to charge this, you have to just put in the USB-C here and you can put on the charge with the USB. Same way you can charge the mouse and you can use this USB adapter for your laptop. So it's an instant connection between the keyboard and the laptop. You can see all the keys are working and you can see the backlit here. You can change this backlit. There are 7 colored backlights that you can choose from with the function key and the backlight options. And also you can see with this slim and easy use, it's very portable and durable. The next thing is with the mouse also you can change the colors of the mouse and or you can even close it. So here in the night in the dark color look like this is really bright. You can easily see all the buttons and then easily use it. Very helpful in the night to work with it and then looks very funny too. So really nice keyboard with a slim portable and the light effects and the rechargeable with a long battery life.